FlutterFlow custom Google Maps markers. There is a tutorial for you to develop, or you can use how you can use this widget. We will start here by the parameters, which are the you can say the common parameters for this, for any FlutterFlow widget, which is the height and the width and the height. And you will see now another one. This one is specific for this widget. The first one is markers lat ling, or you can say it latitude and longitude. The second one is marker, this one is a list, and this one marker icon names, and it's a list as well. This one custom, or you can say JSON maps string. This one a string. The first one, you can say that if you are having a list of icons or a list of markers, you have, here is a list. The first, it's having two columns. This one here, the icon, and the other one, the location of the marker. If you are getting this list from, you can say, for a file store or from any other database, you can, if you are able to get a list same like this one, you can develop, or you can use this widget. What I'm doing here, I'm putting all of them as just for testing. It's all here as an app state. Here is the list, and here is the marker icon. This one is opposing this one. This one, the second one, is opposing the second one here, and the third one is opposing the third one here. What is this? This one is the file name of the icon file. If you go here in the assets, I'm putting all of the icons. I'm just taking the file name and I am putting it in the list. Where is the list? Here is the list. Just like this. And you can put this data or the icon names in your database as an icon or as a string, and just import it, and just import the latitude and longitude. And the third one, last one, which is JSON maps string. This one, the design of the Google Maps, and here is a design. This one you can get it from or you can say a style. This one, Google Maps style. You can search in Google Maps styling. Just edit your style and it will export, or you can copy this code from the styling or Google Maps styling, and you can paste it in as an app state or in your code. That's it. It's now you can use this plugin or widget. Don't forget, as usual, when you use any custom widget for Google Maps, you must, in your widget tree, you must import an empty or just a Google map from FlutterFlow. This one, just drag it, just right here, Google Maps, and this one you must import it just and hide it. Why we are doing this one? Because this one is giving an order for FlutterFlow to import the needed dependencies. As well, you must specify your key, Google Maps key. This one here, this one. I'm showing this one to you because no one, I will remove it after this video, and that's it.